sixth word, Krishna. ন্যাসী বেশে আকর্ষিল অসঙ্গের বন, এই হেতু কৃষ্ণ নাম তাহার। Why will know Sriman Mahaprabhu as Krishna? Why will know this meaning of Krishna as Sriman Mahaprabhu? Because the name of this Krishna is Karshate, it is Krishna. Is attract. Is attractive. The definition of this name, Purusha Joshit Kimba Sthavara Jangam, Sarva Chitta Akorshaye Sakshat Manmatvaram. One meaning of this name of Krishna is Madana Mohan.